Na ka jing mi ki jing ot jing nam halor ka jing bambyang ka yo ka hat na ki hawkers ki basyong jing de ha parking lot muda kalapin long yo sembut menteri rangba ka jela uba Sniawbhalang dha ubade ru menteri ubade khmi ye katanat urban affairs ban pensyai halor ka ni habakran sekilat pathai khubor ha ka no phai sngi Jngoh arpusan tarik nai wing araja arpusan uba Sniawbhalang ulaong boluan Jngoh hi dalade ya ka ni ka yo bat ka Ïaid bha Kumba lapen pau ki hawkers Nalor kata ulaong baka jingpen slam ban kenria ya ki pat ki hawkers kadai namar ki babun ki daw.
Hawker associations, we are on the job every day now. Even day before yesterday, my officer had a meeting to identify, to locate the new places for the remaining areas. That's why I always keep replying to you only.
In civil hospital, there are some discrepancies.
No, civil, Leit Mukta, GSO, all those important areas we have to report. We need to do nicely. In such a manner, no one should harm.
There are some who are deprived and...
No, that's not deprived one. That's why we take time. We didn't want to deprive anybody. That is the reason. They are our own boys and girls. No, they are our own people too. As you see, it's not so easy for the government to just throw our people anywhere. They are our own people, brother and sister. So before we receive them, we have to do a good place. And which had been done for the last so many months also. And the same practice you have to follow.
Misalnya pahai yang hiu menisbang yang kos bagi kuat bagi berujung pin berat. Atau kai bok penlong pada serkar ban sempuan ma piu bu pot matang sibna ban pendep sa tengah pok beja. Henry mentap dikti ada ban tap kai ka daw
bagi serkar kalau pun lima. Teng ke jaka ngipet ka ibiang kasinong kam pedia. Teng ka sengi la ibiang ke hokar gong no kam biang ke business yang ni they come gini barok tengah hap less kiski ma habis kerja bapli ke dia long they should get a good business also. That is the reason. Teng mi kabiang baik. Teng ka syong sapat. Teng ngi pa ka syong la monjur hokar ko am situ ngimi bai singire. Te kata de gidaw ba biar pek tapi.
Tekai
min dia barok.
Te kumpul orang mentah gitu bosong hapo khandai la bosong hatu parti lo munda ki umba kadi ka thiet kam long hatu ki kita ki sinjam ko gong.
Kan long balem long. Ngalet ril de. Ngalet boleh stay. Kahe kayo.
Am kahe kayo to magin nong thiet kam dan nama bagi begini root side kini kan jo MTC gidang don ge.
Ya kata kan mang ngap le su. Na barok khoi ban le sin ne kan se ba mentar ko biang ni. Hot kala man de myo kum bamut myo la ban de ta de kayo ko biang ni. Ta hadu kata banong kum bakwa ta bon singi kum jing long bru te. Ngi kwa ban yo he be ma barok.
Habatin pej bahagi ki sharp plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khaw kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka khia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya